That's a nice walleye, dude. Wow. Awesome fish. Ooh, it's a bass. It's a nice fish. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to be chasing some bass on a little boat on this awesome lake called Three Oaks. I hope you guys enjoy. Well, I've got a little time before my buddies show up, so I'll explain to you guys what I brought with me. So I brought a 6'8", I believe, medium action rod. This is like my jerkbait, my crankbait rod. I've got a jerkbait tied on there right now. And then I also brought this, it's technically a drop shot rod, but it's a really good 6'9" medium light. I like to use it for a lot of different techniques. I'll be using this paddle tail first. This I'm hoping will catch me a big smallmouth. And then I've also got my big swim bait set up. And right now I'm gonna be, probably be tossing the Canada first, which is a really big jerk bait by Megabass. Absolutely love that thing. And then this other one is my jigging combo. It's a 7.3 medium heavy. And this is what I love to throw my jigs on. Swim jigs, even a chatterbait will work on there. So I figure these four will be perfect. I've got my kayak net, as well as a backpack full of baits and plastics. So we should be good. Stick around and let's see if we can get on them today. It's early June, which sometimes can be really good, but also can be somewhat tough. So let's see how they react, and hopefully it's a good bite. See you guys out there. Here's the rig we got going. Nice little 12-foot John boat.
12-foot is pretty roomy though, too.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, for two guys, this is perfect. Got a bunch you can rent here. This place is super cool. Damn, looks like that turbo speed, look at that.
Oh, it is lighter, dude.
We should be good here. Let's see what we can do.
This thing's definitely less unstable.
Yeah, it's very wobbly. 14-footer is much more stable. Dude, this bait is honestly my favorite for this time of year. A lot of construction, that's for sure.
Walk right through.
You got one? Nice.
Play with my drag, dude.
Let's go, Oliver. With the first fish, baby.
Oh, what the?
Oh, it's a wall thread.
It's really fixing my drag.
Yeah, dude, look at that. That's a nice walleye, dude. Wow. Nice.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
God, look at that.
Dude,
way to start us off, man. Not even 15 minutes in. Awesome fish, brother. Nice 22-incher. Want to put him back? Bingo. Back to the depths he goes.
Yes,
Do some. Nice. Oh, with that worm?
oh, yeah. This, whoa,
You see this drop off? It's insane, dude. Yeah.
we're just all cruising along. It's coming from 3 places.
Oh boy.
Wow.
Nope.
Nice.
Ooh, it's a bass. he's right under the boat, actually.
Okay.
He's probably gonna come up jumping.
Good old Largy.
Hell yeah, dude. Let's go.
Let's go, brother.
Dang, he choked that thing. Look at that. He absolutely hammered it.
What are you using?
A little paddle tail. Dude, I might have to use the pliers on this. Oh my god. Whew. Let's go. It's a nice fish.
Yes, there it is. A good old healthy bass.
And there he goes. Sweet. Decent smallie, dude. Oh no, it's a largie. Man, dude, I thought for sure it was gonna be a smallie there. That's another nice largie though. I'll take it. Dude, that thing's built like a football. Thank you. What an absolute beauty. See you, buddy. Thank you. Oh, look at this one. Check it out. Yeah, I don't know what that is. He's going to town on that.
Oh, another one.
Did you?
Yeah, I saw him.
Oh, he's back? Let's go. That is... Nice.
He's fighting.
Dude, yeah, he is. Let's go. I'm going to whip mine out, see if we can get a double up. I'll help you land them. If you want. Let him go. Nice, dude. Let's go.
Let's go, dude.
That's a beauty, brother. Sweet.
I like this pointer.
That one?
Oh, yes.
Nice, dude.
Oh, I popped out.
Oh,
He was big.
I was gonna say that looked like a better one.
The largy, though, I think.
Yeah. Hit this point, last point. Give it 5-10 minutes. Nice, dude. Was hoping we'd get one more. Nice. Yeah. Largy shot. Sweet.
Man, I thought it'd be a smallie.
I thought for sure it was gonna be a smallie.
Look kind of gold.
Yeah. Needed that. Number 5.
Oh, okay, so
Oh, just barely, huh?
yeah. See you, buddy.
Nice catch, bro.
Yeah, you just scooped it up. Dude, you're so brown in the water, like gold. I was like, it's gotta be small, right? Is it surfacing as well?
Yeah, I thought for sure. This looks like the perfect little spot for a couple smallies.
So juicy.
And just like that, our time on the boat came to an end, but it was so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next one. Peace.